Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this super trend indicator that is one of the best indicator to determine or measure the bull run of Bitcoin. Whenever it turns green, you can see that a really very big bull run starts, and after breaking it down, when it turns red, a really very big bearish trend starts. You can see that it was happening here, it was happening here. Before that, a bull run was started here, but after that we had a COVID crash that was a temporary crash, and after that this bull run was continued. That was in fact begun here after breaking out this super trend when it was turned green in the month of April 2019, and it was happened here as well. And you can see after the breakdown when it was turned red, then a very long-term bearish trend was begun. And same as like that, you can see that this time it is about to hit the support or green line of the super trend. If it will be broken down, then we can go in a very long-term bearish trend. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has just touched the oversold zone and turned bullish, and in today's video we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this Bollinger Band. You can see that it is quite squeezed, that is indicating that soon a very big move to the upside or to the downside can be started. And we will also once again take a look at this Bollinger Band split indicator as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup of flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well by scrolling it down like this with the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive rally, by the way, almost 83%. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. This is the weekly time frame chart, and this is the super trend indicator that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. When you can see whenever the price line breaks it out and crosses up this indicator, and when it turns green, then you can see that a very long-term bull run on the 7-day time frame chart starts. And after the breakdown, you can see a long-term bearish trend starts, like it was happening here at the start of 2023 in the month of January 2023, when it was turned green and it was turned bearish. In fact, it was turned bearish here, but the price then formed a double top here, and eventually the price then moved down, and the previous bull run was begun here back in April 2019. But here we had a COVID crash. That was a temporary crash, and after that this bull run was continued. And before that, it was happening here when we broke it down here in the month of January 2018. After this bull run that was ended in December 2017. After that, it was turned bearish, and the previous before that, this bull run that was ended in 2017 or 2018, that was begun here when it was turned green in the month of September 2015. So this is a very nice indicator to determine the bull run. This time you can see that it is showing us that we are still in bull run, and if we will break it down, then a very long-term bearish trend can be started. We have formed a double top here, but at the same time, you can see that stochastic has just turned the oversold zone and turned bullish. You can see that we have received this bull cross, like this blue line has crossed up the orange line. Like previously, when we received the bull cross from here, from the oversold zone, then we had a very massive rally. Same as like that, we are again receiving this bull cross. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see a price correction. And during this price correction, the price end may try to break out this resistance that is approximately at $73,000. And it may break out this level of resistance where we form this double top as well. And after the breakout from this resistance, we may see a continuation of this bull run. Now, let me show you this Bollinger Bands indicator as well on the same 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that finally we have dropped at the support of this Bollinger Bands indicator. Let me make it more visible for you. Then you can see that the Bollinger Band is quite squeezed now. Therefore, at any time, we can expect a big move to the downside or to the upside. Previously, when it was squeezed here, then we had a big drop at the support of the Bollinger Bands, the lower bands of Bollinger Bands. And after that, it was moved up. The price line was moved up, and we had a very massive rally. Before that, it was happening here as well in the month of October 2022, when Bollinger Band was squeezed. We had a big drop at the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, and then we had a very, very massive rally. Now, same as like that, it has been squeezed once again. At the same time, if we take a look at the Bollinger Bands with indicator, then you can see that it is about to touch the floor. That is this green line. That is the support of this Bollinger Bands with indicator. When the price then drops down at the support of the Bollinger Band or this lower band of the Bollinger Bands, and if this blue line drops at this support or green line, this is by the way Bollinger Band width indicator. And after that, when the blue line starts moving to the outside, then you can see that price line usually follow this move and signal. And we are watching very, very big moves in the previous history. You can see that it was happening here, it was happening here. And now if it will once again happen here as well, then we can expect another very, very massive rally. At least we can see a move up to the resistance of the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands. And this time the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands is approximately here at 72,000. By the way, you can watch the value here. That is at $72,784. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.